how to turn off in-app direct messages notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off in-app direct messages notifications on TikTok mobile. First thing, open TikTok and now click this three line, click profile and then click these three lines in the top corner here. And after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and here just scroll down until you find push notifications. This one, click on it, and here you will find in-app notifications. Click on it, and as you see here you will find direct messages. Just turn it off by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.